Hi there, students. Delicacy. Okay, delicacy is a noun. Delicate means the quality of being delicate. Delicate, an adjective. So you need to treat this with delicacy because it's very fragile. You need to be very careful to touch very gently. Okay, somebody is delicate. The delicacy of this child is very worrying. So somebody that has a weak body, a weak constitution. The delicacy of my grandmother is something that is worrying the doctors. Okay, she's fragile. Her health isn't very good. A delicacy, something that tastes delicious, especially a choice food. So caviar is a delicacy, or black truffles are a delicacy. So some unusual food or unusual flavour that's expensive and special compared to the standard. Wild caviar is a delicacy, or perhaps fugu in Japan. It's a fish which part of it is poisonous, or escamoles in Mexico, which are the larvae of ants. So a delicacy is a delicious special food. Delicacy. Something that is very fine, very finely constructed, very well done, very elegant. The delicacy of the brushwork in this painting is amazing. The delicacy of the filigree of this piece of jewelry. So delicacy, very finely made, very high quality. Delicacy is when you are sensitive to the feelings of others. You need to treat this matter with delicacy. Yeah, you need to apologize delicately. Yeah, you apologize with delicacy. This matter is very delicate, is very sensitive. He's very delicate about his divorce. If you want to talk about his divorce, you need to deal with it with delicacy, with sensitivity, with skill, and very, very gentle. Okay, it's saying there's a need for tact. Yeah, this is a topic of some delicacy. It's something that you need to be tactful when dealing with it. And something that is very sensitive, something that is sensitive to small changes. So the delicacy of this scientific apparatus, you need to be, it's very sensitive. It will measure even the smallest bits. So the delicate craftsmanship, very fine, very subtle, very good. The delicacy of the way that he played the violin, a delicacy to eat, something that's delicious, the delicacy of the lace that is on sale. Okay, so delicacy, daintiness, elegance, delicacy, a treat, a special food, a savoury. Delicacy with discretion. Treat this matter with delicacy. Okay, the parts of this are very delicate. This machine is very delicate. It's very small and very intricate. The delicacy of his health is worrying. The weakness. Okay, treat this matter with subtlety, with discretion, with diplomacy, with delicacy. The delicacy of this sponge cake is wonderful. It's very light, it's very springy, it's very lively. The delicacy of movement of the dancer amazed me. The delicacy of the porcelain that was made. Okay, delicacy of movement, the delicacy of a political situation. You need to show tact and delicacy in this matter. Okay, this food is a mouth-watering delicacy. It's delicious. He plays tennis with a lot of finesse, with superb delicacy. Okay, so delicacy. This is a matter of delicacy. It's rather sensitive. Yeah. Delicate china. Okay, the delicacy of the china. Okay, the delicacy of his skin. A delicate flavour. Caviar is a delicacy that I'm not actually particularly fond of. Although goose barnacles, percebes, well, yeah, it's a delicacy I quite like. Okay, so delicacy, a delicacy, something rare and special and good to eat. Delicacy, trying not to offend anyone. Treat this matter with delicacy. The quality of being easy to damage. Okay, the delicacy of these textiles means that you can't move them. I admired the delicacy of the way she played the violin, the quality of being done carefully and gently. Okay, rare, expensive, good things to eat. So, what do I consider a delicacy? I'm trying to think of a delicacy that I really like. Well, I think good Oriental food for me is a delicacy because I live in Europe. Okay, so okay, delicacy. We need to discuss a matter of delicacy, something which is needed, where care and diplomacy is needed. Okay, so delicacy. Delicacy, the quality, it's easy to break. Yeah, people could be delicate as well. A problem of delicacy, you need to handle it carefully. A situation of some significant delicacy. So, formality, delicacy. 5.5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, delicatus, delicae, from de lacio, or lacio, to pull together. So, to ensnare, to trap. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Delicacy.